Good evening, football critics. Welcome back to the channel. I am back with another video. Well, my first match reaction of the channel. Really exciting times, and yeah, man, yo, what a game I just watched. Well, not much of an exciting game, but a very nervy game, if I can put it that way, for the Orlando Pirates. I thought at the end umuntu besezibamba umoya yabo, Richards Bay beseseyisingena nje impela. And yeah, luckily we managed to pull through with the results yabo. As I said, Izolo, we really needed to win a game. It was very important for us to win this game, and I'm glad that we did. Yeah, lots to talk about. Challenging the first half. I thought we started the game really well. I thought we controlled the game. We were crisp in our passing. Um, Maybe not so much on the final third, yeah, but we did not create as many opportunities as maybe we would have wanted to. But luckily we scored just before the halftime. Lovely goal, by the way. Lovely run from Utepang Muremi, who's having a wonderful season after maybe a slow start. Uh, yeah, but manje usephicaphile umfana form, he's scoring a lot of goals, uyaswinisa amagame, and yeah, kumanje sihlulile ngenxa yakhe, yabo. But yeah, first half game beyimnandi, beyiza kahle. Nje silinokha nje about, and yazi kunento futhi engingayithandi buyenziwe iPirates, especially in that first half. They did it a lot in that first half, where masi build up from the back ibhola, we are a little bit slow and casual. Kanti Richards Bay bowubona ukuthi they were trying to press us high, yabo. And on certain occasions, njalo. But whenever we try to build up from the back, Richards Bay was pressure, and it's very dangerous because they have very dangerous attacking players. Abo Knox Mutizo, no Kabati, no Mhango. Players who punisher if they get that ball, if they win that ball. So it was something bekade ngangiphathi kahle. But yeah, luckily abazange capitalize on that, but cishe they nearly did. And yeah, nje and then the second half we I don't think we started that second half really that badly, but bobona ukuthi okay, second half for Richards Bay, they were pressing with more urgency, they were moving the ball quicker than the first half. Nje bebeza nje impela bekubonakala ukuthi they want something, and i-game plan yabo beyibonakala, and it's something kumele ngiyicommend even to uManqoba Mngqithi on Wednesday when we played against the Golden Arrows, is that most of these small teams, isikhathi esiningi, when they playing an inform Orlando Pirates or an inform Kaizer Chiefs or an inform Mamelodi Sundowns, they don't particularly look like they have a game plan, yabo. It's almost as if bona bafuna ukufika egamini banga-concede, yabo. That's fine, but have uplan ukuthi when you have the ball uzowenzani, uzolimuva kanjani ibhola, yabo. Nokumarka, when are you gonna press, when are you not going to press, yabo. And I feel like that's what Golden Arrows and Richards Bay had, yabo. Even today in Richards Bay, they had a proper game plan, yabo. They didn't want us to build from the back, yabo. And even when they had the ball, babona ukuthi okay bazama ukwenzani, yabo. Luckily we did not concede, and yeah, kune player engifuna futhi ukulincoma, and leli player leli, yeah, nami ngiqala ukulibona kahle this season mase sefika la ku-Orlando Pirates, which is uNdaba. Hey, that guy is having a really good season naye, yabo. And uHotho uzoba nenkinga, and what I love about uNdaba, and like the difference between uNdaba noHotho, is that uNdaba is more technical, yabo. Umnandi, yabo. He can hold the ball better, he can pass it better, he can run with it into space better than Uhoto. Uhoto is more energetic, yabona, like up and down physical presence, yabo. So yeah, Uhoto really has some good competition Guyena right now, and he really needs to step up, otherwise mfana uzomkhipha esquadini, like uzomkhipha ngempela. And uyabona ukuthi ucoach Wadu, he does give opportunities to a lot of players, just like Jose Rivero did, yabo. I feel like it's an Orlando Pirates thing, especially the young players, yabo. We have to get an opportunity, and I'm glad ukuthi these Orlando Pirates players who are getting an opportunity bayalithatha, like they grab opportunity yabo, yabo. And another player who I'd like to mention, yabo, nje Ozwin Apolis. Hey, Ozwin Apolis, hey, what's a signing, man? What a signing that guy is. Like the player forgets his quality on the ball. Yeah, but forgets his technical abilities, just his work rate. Yeah, he's not your Moremi or your Sibelebele, that those direct wingers, yabona aba like, give me the ball, ngiphassele through ball. I'm gonna run through a defender and then score. Now Apolisi, he's more I don't know ukuthi ngam-describe kanjani. He takes up a lot of central positions, yabo. He links up with the midfield, abo Sipho Mbule, nje nabo Nemtajela, nabo Mbatha nje. He, I don't know how to describe him, but what an excellent player! What an excellent player! And he's really special, and impact abe nayo nje on the team nje overall. Naye in terms of ukugcina ibhola, because we this season I feel like we're more of a possession based team because of the types of signings we made, yabo, in midfield. Now in midfield we have a player who want the ball, yabo. And last season we did not do that enough, yabo. We did not play Ebola, we did not keep possession, we were rushing too much. But this season we have players who are willing ukuthi lazim give me the ball, let's keep Ebola, yabo. So I'm really happy with the win. In the end, we managed to scrape it ngempela. Like it was a bit scrappy. And as for the subs, abomfukeng uyabona ukuthi okay, ubuya kwi-injury, akakabuyi back to his form. But Mfukeng uzobuya. And anyway, I'm just pleased ukuthi sidlulile, we are going through to the next round, and hopefully we the next round, which is the final, yeah, hopefully I win, and hopefully I win, and I back the boys to win this trophy, especially since we finally. I really do think ukuthi in the end the boys will bring it back home. Yeah, and great win for Orlando Pirates. Congratulations. Yeah, make sure subscribe to the channel, like this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.